Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you the inside scoop on the latest products. Today, we're taking a look at a vacuum cleaner that promises to take on the toughest pet hair and debris without breaking a sweat. It's the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Vacuum, a cordless model designed for versatility, with a removable battery, a patented anti-tangle brush bar, and up to 55 minutes of runtime. Whether you're dealing with carpets, hardwood, or your pet's favorite spots, this vacuum is built to handle it all. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. The BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Vacuum is engineered with a 3x cleaning system aimed at tackling multiple surfaces, picking up various debris types, and most importantly, getting rid of stubborn pet hair. This vacuum features a patented brush bar with rubber bristles that's specially designed to lift pet hair from carpets, furniture, and upholstery. The front-facing dustbin gives you easy access for emptying, and it allows the vacuum to lay flat, making it perfect for reaching under furniture or tight spaces. The built-in filter cleaner is a standout feature, offering up to twice the suction by ensuring the filter stays free from debris buildup. With a simple twist, you can keep it performing at its peak. When it comes to floor types, this vacuum doesn't mess around. It promises up to 75% better pet hair pickup on carpets compared to standard vacuums. The removable floorhead lets you easily connect different accessories, giving you more flexibility for different cleaning needs. Whether it's tackling a pile of pet hair on the carpet or lifting dust from hardwood floors, the 3-speed control allows you to adjust suction power based on the task. On top of that, the vacuum's self-standing design means you don't have to worry about it tipping over when you set it down. The runtime is impressive too, offering up to 55 minutes on a single charge. That's enough to get a good amount of cleaning done, especially if you're focusing on smaller areas or doing a quick tidy up. Of course, the real question is, does it handle pet hair effectively in real-world scenarios? I put the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Vacuum to the test on various surfaces around my home, starting with a mix of hardwood floors and area rugs. The suction was strong enough to pick up fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair without missing a beat. On carpets, it performed really well, lifting pet hair embedded deep in the fibers. What's worth noting is how the patented brush bar really works wonders on pet hair. It didn't tangle as easily as other vacuums I've used, which is a huge win when you're dealing with long dog or cat hair. On hardwood floors, the vacuum had no problem picking up fine debris, but I did notice a slight reduction in suction power when moving between different floor types, especially in higher speed modes. Using the vacuum on stairs and upholstery was a breeze. The convertible handheld design makes it easy to switch modes and tackle those hard-to-reach spots. The attachments were straightforward to use, and they really broadened the cleaning range. I was able to get into narrow spaces between furniture, clean the car seats, and tackle stubborn spots without any trouble. When it comes to noise levels, the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Vacuum is on the quieter side, especially when compared to larger, more powerful vacuums. It's not completely silent, but it's definitely more tolerable for daily use without causing too much disruption. The build quality feels solid, though not overly premium. The materials used are sturdy and the vacuum is lightweight, which makes handling it less tiring, even after longer cleaning sessions. That said, I did notice that the dustbin isn't the largest, so you might find yourself emptying it more frequently if you have a large area to clean. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're doing a full house cleanup. As for the battery, the removable 20-volt max system is convenient for charging inside or outside the vacuum. But I did see some drop-off in suction when the battery started nearing the end of its life, especially in high power modes. That's pretty typical for most cordless vacuums though, and the 55-minute runtime should be sufficient for smaller homes or quick cleaning sessions. Now let's break down some of the strengths and weaknesses of this vacuum. The biggest strength is its versatility. Whether you need to clean carpets, hard floors, stairs, or furniture, this vacuum does it all. The anti-tangle brush bar is a huge benefit for pet owners, saving you the hassle of untangling hair. The runtime is solid for a cordless vacuum, and the removable battery system makes charging super convenient. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and the attachments are useful for a wide range of cleaning tasks. On the flip side, while the vacuum does a great job on carpets, it's not as powerful on thicker or deep pile carpets, where you might see a slight drop in suction. The dustbin is on the smaller side, so it requires more frequent emptying, especially for larger homes. Additionally, although the vacuum is quieter than some, it's still not completely silent, so if you're sensitive to noise, it might be something to consider. In terms of value for money, the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Vacuum sits in a mid-range price point, making it a solid option for pet owners or anyone needing a versatile cordless vacuum. Compared to other vacuums in the same price range, it offers a good balance of suction power, runtime, and attachments. It's not as powerful as some high-end models, but it's more than capable for daily cleaning tasks, especially if you have pets. When comparing it to other models in its class, you might find similar performance from brands like Shark or Dyson, but the BLACK+DECKER offers excellent value for money with its combination of performance and convenience. The suction power, while not the absolute strongest, holds up well across different surfaces, and the pet hair pickup is definitely above average. As for build quality, this vacuum feels durable, but it's not the heaviest duty model on the market. It should last through regular cleaning tasks, but like all vacuums, the longevity will depend on how well you maintain it. The filter cleaning system is easy to use, and the brush roll is simple to remove for cleaning, which should keep the vacuum in good working condition over time. Customer support for BLACK+DECKER is known to be responsive, though I haven't had to deal with any issues myself. The warranty offers decent coverage, and based on the brand's reputation, you can expect good after-sales support if needed. If you're looking for a vacuum with smart features or firmware updates, this model doesn't have those, but it's not a downside either, as it keeps things simple and straightforward. It's all about solid performance, which it delivers. In conclusion, the BLACK+DECKER Pet Hair Vacuum is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use cordless vacuum. It's especially well-suited for pet owners, with its anti-tangle brush bar and strong pet hair pickup. While it's not the most powerful option for deep carpets, it does a fantastic job on most surfaces. If you're after a vacuum that can handle daily messes without a lot of hassle, this one's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're interested in grabbing this vacuum, you can find the link in the comments box below. Feel free to drop any questions or share your experiences if you've already tried it. Until next time, keep those floors spotless and happy cleaning!